Hey, remember that sci-fi trope of the personal AI assistant that takes care of everything for you? Well, today that's becoming a reality. I am going to walk you through exactly how to build your very own AI-powered virtual assistant in just a few easy steps. And the best part, you don't need to write any code. Yeah, seriously. So whether you're a business owner, a knowledge worker, or just someone who hates doing stuff, this video is for you. Let me show you how to create an AI sidekick that does all the boring stuff, so you can focus on the fun stuff. Step No. 1. Pick your no-code AI platform. First things first, you need a way to harness the power of AI without having to learn how to code. There are a bunch of options out there, but I'll highlight a few favorites. First up, we have Zapier, a super popular choice that connects different apps together. With Zapier, you can create zaps which automate tasks between two or more apps. For example, you can have ChatGPT summarize an article and then save that summary to a Google spreadsheet. Next up, check out Voiceflow, a platform designed specifically for building conversational AI. This is a great option if you want your assistant to interact with people in a chatty way. Plus, they have a ton of templates to get you started. Then there's Make, formerly known as Integromat, which lets you create complex automations called macros by connecting various apps and services. The platform offers a visual editor so you can build macros by dragging and dropping actions. Last but not least, consider OpenAI's Playground, a platform where you can customize and fine-tune different GPT models without having to code. Now, each of these platforms has its own strengths and weaknesses, but the cool thing is that they all offer free plans, so you can experiment and see which one works best for you. Step No. 2. Figure out what you want your assistant to do before diving into building your virtual assistant. It's essential to have a clear understanding of what you want it to accomplish. Start by identifying repetitive tasks that you frequently find yourself doing. Consider both personal and professional tasks. For instance, scheduling meetings, answering common customer questions, or summarizing lengthy articles. By analyzing your daily activities, you'll gain insights into areas where an AI assistant could be most beneficial. Remember, the more specific you can be with your use cases, the easier it will be to design effective workflows and prompts. Step 3. Build basic functions first. Now that you know what you want to achieve, it's time to start building. Begin by setting up some basic functions that will form the foundation of your assistant. For example, if you want your assistant to send emails on your behalf, use a tool like Zapier to connect your Gmail account to ChatGPT. This way, whenever you ask your assistant to send an email, it can generate the content and send it directly from your inbox. Similarly, if you want your assistant to schedule appointments, set up a flow in Make that pulls in your calendar data and creates events based on your preferences. The key here is to start simple and gradually build from there. Break down complex tasks into smaller, more manageable steps, and focus on creating a few solid workflows before moving on to more advanced functionalities. Step number 4. Train your assistant with prompts. If you're using tools like Voiceflow or OpenAI Playground, your virtual assistant will rely heavily on prompts to function effectively. Prompts are essentially instructions that you give to the AI to guide its behavior and responses. Take some time to craft clear, concise prompts that will help your assistant understand your expectations and provide accurate information. For example, you might want to start with a general prompt, like, "You are a friendly and efficient virtual assistant tasked with helping me with my daily tasks." Then add specific instructions for each function. Remember to keep your prompts as specific and detailed as possible to minimize confusion and ensure that your assistant behaves exactly how you want it to. Step 5. Give it a voice or a personality. To make your virtual assistant feel more relatable and engaging, consider giving it a voice or personality. With tools like 11 Labs, you can upload a voice sample and create a hyper-realistic AI-generated version that your assistant can use to speak. Alternatively, you can explore other AI voice generators like Hagen or DAI-D to create a unique voice for your assistant. Once you have a voice, you can start designing your assistant's personality. Determine whether you want it to be formal, casual, helpful, or humorous, and incorporate that into its communication style. By adding these finishing touches, you'll create a virtual assistant that feels more human and engaging. And congratulations, you've now built your very own virtual assistant. Whether you've created a helpful work companion or a fun personal assistant, the possibilities are endless. Just remember to regularly review and update your assistant's functionalities and prompts to ensure that it continues to meet your evolving needs. Now tell us about your amazing new assistant. What tasks does it handle? How has it made your life easier? Share your experience with the community and let us continue to push the boundaries of what is possible with AI. Until next time, happy assisting.